Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Leads. Most small businesses try AI as a chatbot, get mixed results, and stop. But the real ROI comes from quiet automations that run in the background. They catch revenue leaks, prevent mistakes, and move work forward without a new hire. In this video, I'll give you 10 non-obvious AI automation use cases you can run with the tools you probably already have: Gmail, Google Sheets, or Airtable, your calendar, your CRM, and a workflow tool like Zapier or Make. Quick note: when an automation touches money, deadlines, or customer promises, keep a human approval step. AI should draft and detect. You decide and send. Before we jump in, here's the simple stack. You need a trigger, like a new email, form, or calendar event. You pull context, like the customer record, their last order, or the project status. You run one AI step: classify, ... extract, summarize, or score risk. Then you take one action: create a task, send a message, update a field, or open a ticket. And finally, you log the output somewhere so you can audit and improve it. All right, let's get into the 10 ideas. Use case 1, complaint early warning, before churn. Instead of discovering a problem through a 1-star review, you detect frustration in emails, chats, and tickets. Have AI label the message: billing issue, delivery delay, product quality, or angry but unclear. Then auto-route high-risk messages to a Slack channel and create a follow-up task for the owner or account manager. The small but powerful twist: prioritize by customer value, not by who yells the loudest. Use case 2, a no-show prevention engine for appointments. For salons, clinics, home services, and consultants. No-shows are pure profit loss. Use AI to score each booking based on signals: first-time customer, last-minute booking, vague notes, or a history of reschedules. When the risk is high, automatically send a different flow, a confirmation link, a deposit request, or an easy reschedule button. You're not punishing customers, you're matching the reminder to the risk. Use case 3, quote-to-cash autopilot. If you sell custom services, quoting steals hours every week. When a request comes in, AI extracts requirements, deadline, location, and special constraints from the email thread. It then fills a quote template with your pricing rules and outputs a draft proposal plus a summary for internal review. Automation creates the deal in your CRM, attaches the draft, and pings you to approve. You keep control, but you stop retyping the same information. Use case 4, accounts payable anomaly catcher. Fraud and simple mistakes look the same at first. A weird invoice. AI can read inbound invoices or bill emails, extract vendor, amount, due date, and bank details, then compare to your history, flag duplicates, unexpected changes in payment instructions, amounts outside the normal band, or vendors you haven't used in 6 months. Route flags to a needs approval queue. Let normal bills flow through. This can save you far more than it costs in a single caught error. Use case 5, micro-inventory demand sensing. Small retailers and restaurants often reorder by gut feel. Combine yesterday's POS export with what's on the calendar: holidays, local events, reservations, and optionally, weather. AI generates a simple forecast: which SKUs are likely to stock out in the next 7 days, and which are overstock risks. Then automation drafts a reorder list and sends it to the buyer for one-click approval. You don't need perfect forecasting. just fewer emergency runs and fewer spoilage losses. Use case 6. SOP drift and a training coach. Processes change, but your SOP docs don't. If your team uses checklists, tickets, or forms, AI can watch for drift, repeated questions, repeated errors, or steps that people skip. Once a month, it proposes an updated SOP, clearer steps, screenshots to capture, and a checklist version for mobile. Then it generates a 5-question micro-quiz for new hires and schedules it in your LNS or email. The win is consistency. Less tribal knowledge, less "how do I do this again?" Use case 7. Bottleneck radar for projects and operations. Most teams don't need more meetings. They need clearer signals. Pull updates from Slack, email, or your project tool. AI summarizes what changed, what's blocked, and who's waiting on whom. When it detects blockers, phrases like stuck, waiting on, can't move forward, it creates tasks, assigns owners, and sets a follow-up date. Then, it sends a 1-page weekly ops brief, so you can manage by exception. Use case 8. Contract and vendor watcher. Renewal slip and surprise price increases happen in silence. Store contracts in a folder. AI extracts renewal dates, notice periods, and key obligations. Automation posts reminders 90, 60, and 30 days out, and includes a plain English summary of what you must do to stay compliant. If a vendor changes terms, an AI comparison highlights what changed. Small businesses don't need lawyers on speed dial. They need visibility. Use case 9. Local competitor pulse. This isn't about spying. It's about staying aware. AI can monitor competitor websites, pricing pages, job postings, and public reviews. Once a week, it summarizes changes, new offers, new locations, pricing shifts, or repeated customer complaints you can win against. Pair that with your own review sentiment, and you'll know exactly what to fix and what to emphasize in marketing. Use case 10. Meeting decision and action log. Meetings are expensive, and memory is unreliable. Transcribe calls, then have AI extract decisions, action items, owners, and due dates. Automation pushes tasks into your project tool and sends a structured recap to attendees. The non-obvious benefit is compliance and accountability. You build an audit trail of what was decided and when. Before you build any of these, add 3 guardrails. 1. Keep a human approval step for anything customer-facing or financial. 2. Log every automation run to a spreadsheet, input, output, and who approved it. 3. Use confidence thresholds and fallbacks. If AI is unsure, route it to manual review. And finally, measure the right outcomes. Hours saved per week, cycle time, error rate, no-show rate, quote turnaround time, and revenue leakage prevented. If you want the templates for the prompts, the spreadsheet log, and the Zapier or Make blueprint, drop a comment below and subscribe for more practical growth systems. Thanks for watching Beyond Leads, and I'll see you in the next one.